I come from Kustia.
We know that in Bangladesh there are several archaeological sites. Among them, Kumilla Shalbut Bihar, one of the amazing sites. According now, we'll talk with some visitors after coming. How do they feel in this existing Shalbut Bihar? Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. My name is Suzan. How are you?
I am fine. Where are you from, brother?
I come from Kustia. At the first time I have come here, Kumilla Bihar. The Bihar is very beautiful place. Many people come here. The place visitors see and many people. I hope that the place is very nice and very beautiful.
How do you feel after coming existing Shalbun Bihar?
Now at this time I very feel now because the place is very historical place. Many people came here. Most of the people are young generation and most of the people are couple. They came here see the beautiful place Shalban Bihar.
Actually, the Kustia district is so far from Kumilla district. But why have you selected this Shalbun Bihar?
Thank you. The selector Shalban Bihar. I have selected Shalban Bihar because the place is very historical place. I heard that the
Actually, we know that this is very amazing place. Accordingly, you have selected
selected
this
historical place
historical
Kumilla,
place.
Shalban Bihar. Now you can tell me this historical place. I know that. Please now can tell me.
Actually, my dear visitors, we know that this place totally amazing. We have listened from my brother. He told that this place so nice. Yes, this place totally wonderful in Kumilla Jala. That means Kumilla Shalbun Bihar. Accordingly, a number of visitors and audience come to see the existing environment inside the Shalbun Bihar. That's why every day come different categories people, general people, teachers and others different categories people. That's why if you come in this area, I think you will actually see the good sceneries inside the Shalbun Bihar area. So
Thank you very
brother.
much. Today I am very happy because I have come here, Shalban Bihar visitor. You are so very lucky man. Today today I will meet you.
Actually, I am also so lucky because you talk with me at this moment. That's why I am so lucky. Because
Thank you
you're
very
my-
much. See you again.